Hey, guys! So, today we're diving into some knitting magic with the German short rows on the left side hem. Alright, I've already tackled the right side, so now it's time to finish up the left side. We're going to be working those 2 loops from the German short rows all the way across the hem. Now, those loops we made, they're sitting pretty on the finishing row because of the way I chose to set up the pattern. It gives us those subtly noticeable stitches that are evenly spaced along the curve of the hem. Pretty neat, right? So let's get to it and make this hem look fabulous. When you're working with 3mm needles and mohair, you really have to depend on how it feels rather than what you see. It can be tricky to spot things, so take your time. This is usually where things can go wrong. But honestly, while mistakes can be frustrating, I believe there's no error in knitting that can't be corrected. It just takes a keen eye, a lot of focus, and some patience. In this video, I'll show you how I fixed the German short row stitch, which is worked on just one leg. For the knit stitch, you'll be knitting the 2 loops like you would with a knit 2 together stitch. And when it comes to the purl stitch, you'll do the same thing, but you'll be purling instead. Pretty straightforward, right? You might be wondering, what's the big deal about doing the German short rows from the inside out versus the outside in? Well, let me break it down for you. When we start those short rows near the edges and then work our way toward the center, we get some solid structural shaping. It creates a stronger curve, making it look a bit more angular or cupped